This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2020 Gold Rush. Big Cojones basketball. One box eBay break. December 5th, 2020. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. Dallas Cowboys 1184 with the Hawks, Mavericks, and Grizzlies. The Struggle 420 with the Jazz and Wizards. Pitt P Red for Raptors, Celtics, Nets, Bulls, Pistons, Spurs. Badger Co 24 with the Warriors and Magic. Core underscore 68 with the Kings. Camaro Woo underscore 4 with the Trailblazers. Mooseman 56 with the Suns. E Frizant -0 with the 76ers. SCC Owen underscore 1233 with the Thunder. The Struggle 420 with the Knicks. We got Matt Hisito 5, hopefully I said that right, Pelicans. GVSU 333 with the Timberwolves. Mastra 3740 with the Bucks. DEHY 5469 with the Heat. Matt Hisito 5, Lakers. Varsity BB Coach with the Clippers. Mooseman 56, Pacers. SAO Breaks with the Rockets. Cotty Cooper 07 with the Nuggets. Orange Moogs with the Cavaliers. And Mastra 3740 with the Hornets. That is your full lineup. Okay. Here we go. Gold Rush. Big Cojones Basketball Edition. This is one of their very high-end products. Looking forward to this. We got one high-end card in this break. And obviously you can see your potentials are right there. Alright, so let's get the plastic off here. Let's crack the seal. Okay, here is our one card. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. And, ooh, wow, is that sharp. 8 out of 15, Dirk Nowitzki, flawless autograph with a beautiful patch. Wow, is that sharp. Dirk Nowitzki, beautiful multicolor patch autograph out of flawless. That is 8 out of 15. The Mavs striking. What a beautiful card. Beautiful Dirk. The Mavs. Dallas Cowboys 1184. Congrats. That is a beautiful hit. Beautiful Dirk. Out of flawless. That is a sweet card there. Gorgeous. Beautiful Dirk. Guys, I want to thank everybody so much for breaking. Really do appreciate it. I'll be sticking around in case anybody has any questions or needs anything, guys. CardboardHobby.com, Dugan1640 on eBay. Back at it again tomorrow night. So I will see everybody back tomorrow night as well, guys. Thank you so much for your support. Please be smart, be safe out there.